There are many reasons for taking a sheet from one workbook and copying it to another in Excel. This tutorial will show you how to copy Excel sheet to another workbook. First of all, you need to have your current workbook loaded, which you can see here, as well as the new workbook you are going to copy the sheet to. In this example, this is called New Book. At the bottom of the sheet, right-click in its tab, here, Cost Data. In the menu that appears, click Move or Copy. This will open the Move or Copy window. From the drop-down box at the top, you need to select the name of the workbook to where you are moving the sheet. Here, New Book. The default is for the sheet to be moved, but we want to copy it, so check the Create a Copy box and click OK. This is how to copy Excel sheet to another workbook, and you will automatically be taken to the new workbook. Here we can see that all of the data has been successfully copied. Process complete.